Hey, what's up guys, Bar-Kitty74. Welcome to Train Tales second season. Now this is a non-edited video. Train Tales might be taken down soon, who knows. But we have that person in AK.
Hey guys.
So we're right now going on an actual Alaska Railroad train to Denali. And he's playing a kind of Mario game, I forgot. But, so we're gonna take a tour of the train. Now, right now it's going at normal speed, but like for most of the time it was going super slowly. But right now it's going at normal speed. Alright guys, yeah, so the idea is that us and the Train Tales crew got to go on the train. So over here is the dome car and everything like that. But right now I'm used to this speed. Yeah. But so yeah guys, well it's all for this video. Just like, subscribe, and leave a comment below, and I'll see you again. Yeah, this is Alex and the rest of the Train Tales crew somewhere. There are a few tourists. Yeah. Bye.